I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Nissan 370Z. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on and then click it down here to the bottom. That's one of my cameras. In fact, that's this camera that you're looking through there. Then we want to go to settings. You've got navigation, audio, Bluetooth. Click Bluetooth. Pair a Bluetooth device. There's nothing in, so it's already gone to, it's defaulted to pair Bluetooth device. Is the Bluetooth device you are trying to pair a mobile phone? If it is an audio device, please select no. So it is a mobile phone. Click yes. Using your handset, look for Bluetooth device called My Car. There it's come up. Usually comes up hands-free first, but it's come up My Car. Then we have to put 1, 2, 3, 4 in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pair. And that's it. Barry's iPhone connected there. Showing connected already.